Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can replace the filter in the Dream vacuum, and there we have the model D10 Plus. So in the first step we have to open the top cover and remove the dust container. As you can see, the filter is located here. To remove it, just lift it up on the right side in this hole, and as you can see you can freely remove it. And now we can replace it with the new one. Remember to aim these two small things to these holes on the right side. We see something like that when they are lifting it up. Put it, click it, insert it. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.